Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Vantage Markets. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Vantage Markets is an award-winning Australian broker based in Sydney that was founded in 2009. This broker is regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, the Financial Conduct Authority, and the Cayman Islands Monetary Authority. Vantage Markets has over 1,000 staff members and over 30 offices globally. By trading with Vantage Markets, you will have access to powerful trading platforms and a wide range of Forex pairs, indices, energies, commodities, metals, and CFDs. Vantage Markets offers tight spreads, commission-free trading, and flexible trading accounts. We highly recommend opening an account with Vantage Markets if you are a social trader or a beginner. However, this broker caters to all styles of trading. Once you have opened an account with Vantage Markets, you can use any of the accounts to trade all the instruments offered. There are 44 currency pairs, 16 indices, 19 commodities, and 226 share CFDs. To learn more about the instruments you can trade with Vantage Markets, click on the Start Trading tab and choose an instrument from the Markets to Trade list. You will also be able to view details about spreads, commission fees, trading hours, and swap rates by choosing an option from the Trading Conditions menu. Vantage Markets offers a user-friendly website that is easy to navigate and provides all the information you need. If you would like to know more about the accounts you can open, the instruments you can trade, the trading conditions offered, as well as the platforms and tools you can use, all you need to do is choose an option from the menu bar. The menu bar can also be used to access educational resources and information about the company's history, their awards, and regulations. As you scroll down the homepage, you will see information about the trading conditions and instruments offered, the platforms you can use, and highlights of the perks of being a Vantage Markets client. You can also view live spreads further down the page, as well as market news and direct links to the trading calendar and trading ideas. Their website can be viewed in more than 20 international languages. Vantage Markets offers award-winning customer support 24 hours a day, and you can contact their support team via email, telephone, or live chat. Contact details can be found by scrolling to the bottom of the homepage or by clicking on the Support button. We would also recommend visiting the FAQ section to see if your questions have already been answered, and there are plenty of helpful articles and video tutorials on the website to help you along the way. This broker offers a 50% welcome bonus, a referral program, and an active trader program. A deposit bonus of up to $500 can be added to your account, with an additional $10 credit bonus up to the value of $19,500. If you deposit more than $196,000, your credit bonus will be $20,000. But you can earn a credit bonus of $500 if your first deposit is $500 or more. With the Vantage Markets referral program, you can earn up to $200 and your friends can earn up to $50. All you need to do is share your referral link and get your friends, family, and followers to join. Additionally, Vantage Markets clients are also eligible for a 5% rebate on the first Tether USDT they deposit. Vantage Markets offers 3 types of live trading accounts, as well as giving clients the option to use demo accounts and swap-free accounts. All 3 account types can be used on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. The standard account and raw account have a minimum deposit requirement of $50, and accounts can be funded using more than 6 currencies. The minimum deposit on the Pro account is $10,000. However, the spreads on this account start from 0 pips, and the commission fees are much lower than the raw account. The standard account is an STP or straight-through processing account, and it is a commission-free account with spreads starting from 1 pip. The raw account is an ECN account or Electronic Communication Network account with spreads starting from 0 pips. However, small commission fees are charged on this account, and the minimum deposit required is lower than the Pro account. The maximum leverage cap on these accounts is 1 to 500, and all instruments are available on all 3 accounts. Vantage Markets is one of the best social trading brokers in the industry, and you can use ZuluTrade, MyFXBook, DupliTrade, or the Vantage Markets social trading platform. These platforms can be used to automate your trades and copy the trades of professional strategy providers. All you need to do is create an account, choose a platform, and sign up to start copy trading. You can also use more than one of the copy trading platforms to see which one you prefer the most. These platforms allow you to choose and modify trading strategies and can be used by beginners and professionals. ZuluTrade is a great option if you are interested in copy trading, automated trading, and advanced backtesting of strategies. ZuluTrade has more than 10,000 strategy providers. MyFXBook AutoTrade has more than 90,000 strategy providers, and there are thousands of trading systems you can use to automate your trades. It only takes 30 seconds to sign up. DupliTrade offers 12 refined trading systems, designed by some of the best professional traders in the industry. There aren't that many options, however the trading systems offered have very high success rates and have been running for many weeks. Vantage Markets also offers a proprietary social trading platform that you can use on their mobile application. This platform uses tiers, and the higher your rank, the greater the rewards. If you won't be using any of the copy trading platforms, you will be able to connect your account to the MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms. MetaTrader 4 is currently one of the most popular trading platforms in the world. It was released in 2005, and this platform is renowned for its advanced analysis tools, technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor support, and so much more. This platform comes with easy-to-read interactive charts, and you can monitor and analyze the markets in real time. You will have access to more than 30 technical indicators, and there are 9 different timeframes to choose from. The MetaTrader platforms are currently the most popular and most reliable trading platforms in the world today. MetaTrader 5 was released in 2010 and has many advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading functionality, and this platform can be downloaded for free from the official MetaTrader website. Alternatively, you can use the Vantage mobile application or Pro Trader. You can use their mobile application to manage your accounts, trade over 400 instruments, and access updated news feeds and market insights. The Pro Trader platform is the proprietary platform of Vantage Markets. It comes with more than 50 technical drawing tools, in-depth charts with over 20 layouts, multiple timeframes, and more than 100 indicators. To learn more about the platforms and tools you can use as a Vantage Markets client, simply click on the Trading Platforms tab. Creating an account with Vantage Markets may take up to 24 hours, but the account creation process is straightforward, and you can follow these simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the Vantage Markets homepage, and then click on the Live Account button. Complete the online application form. Next, verify your account and email address. And then log into the client portal. And once your account is set up and approved, you can fund your account and start trading. Once you are logged in to the client portal, the next step would be to choose and download your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform, and then log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with Vantage Markets. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch, and at the top of the screen, a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, you can find a wide variety of helpful educational content and user guides online to help you understand the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. Vantage Markets is one of our top-rated brokers for beginners. The Vantage Markets Academy can be used to learn everything about Forex trading, from understanding the basics to understanding the complexities of trading psychology. There are also plenty of articles that gives insights into interest rates, the impact of economic activity, inflation and recessions on trading, and so much more. You can also learn about the instruments individually or choose to learn more about trading as a whole. Simply go to the Academy and choose one of the instruments at the top of the page. Vantage Markets also provides user guides and tutorials on using the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, and you can tune into their webinars for expert insights and trading tips. There are also platform tutorials for the Pro Trader platform, along with a dedicated section for trading signals and sentiment indicators. As a client, you will also have access to in-depth market analysis reports and an updated economic calendar that you can use to keep track of major economic events globally. Vantage Markets offers free market insights, and you will get more than 10 free Forex signals daily and trading ideas from over 40 global indexes once you sign up. Vantage Markets have won dozens of international awards over the years, and most recently, in 2022, they received the Best Broker in Australia, the Best Customer Support in Australia, and the Best Mobile Trading Application, awarded by Ultimate FinTech Awards. They also received the Best CFD Broker in the UK and the Best New Trading Application globally, awarded by International Business Magazine. Overall, Vantage Markets is one of the best brokers for beginners, social traders, and active traders. This broker offers tight spreads, commission-free trading, and a great selection of tradable instruments. Vantage Markets also has several promotional offers and is one of the safest brokers globally. If you are interested, be sure to open your Vantage Markets account today to claim your bonuses and get access to high-quality educational content and competitive trading conditions. And that is our overview of Vantage Markets. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.